Reel it in. Hold on.
It's heavy.
Go back, go back, go back, go back. Told you!
Spotted bass.
Spotted bass. Pop, pop, right? That's all it takes.
7 fish in one day. And they're all pretty decent size.
This is a very good size spotted bass. One.
Was it like same species or?
Yeah. Ooh. So you can grab them like this under the gills. Like that.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
The spines are right there.
Yep. So you go under the spines. Yep. Under in the, yep. Like that. Good. Hold them tight. Don't let them go. You gotta kind of squeeze them snug, and then hold them this way. Yeah. Wait. Hold them again. Yeah.